I'm hungry.
Wait, will it be my turn?
I've been waiting for an hour.
Me too.
Finally, it's my turn.
Quickly, we're in a hurry.
Is my sushi ready?
Too slow.
I can't wait more.
I'm hungry.
Sorry, your sushi is
Hey,
here.
I came first.
Wait, come here. Too tired. Hey. Ferris wheel. Step 1. Build the rim Ferris wheel. Step 2. Build double stand support. Step 3. Build the motors. Step 4. Connect the rim to double stand support. Step 5. Build the tray. How does Ferris wheel work?
One sushi, please.
Okay, come here.
Good service.
Fantastic.
Great. Served very quickly.
I will continue to support the restaurant.
My honor.
I'm full.
Spider? Oh my god, there are spiders in sushi.
Oh no, what's wrong?
The garbage truck is here.
Let's throw away the restaurant leftovers, buddy. Bye-bye.
Garbage processing plant. Press machine. Slice machine. Press machine.
The trash has arrived.
We should start processing them now. Appetizers. Let's start with appetizers trash first. Boiled carrot. French fries. Boiled broccoli. Our press machine is too weak. We need to change to a stronger pressing head. Making press machine with paper knives head. Step 1. Build the machine frame. Add the gears. Add the cover to the gear set. Add the motor. I'll need these two engine blocks. Next, attach the support legs to the machines. Step 2. Build the cutting head. Attach the head to the frame. I need to make the cutting head for this machine. I will use this paper cutter blade to make the cutting head. Cutting head is done. Or bee's balloon. Let's try this boiled broccoli again, with the paper knife's head. Main courses. Now we will process the main course trash. Susie. Chicken popcorn.
Whoa!
Desserts.
I brought the spoiled dessert trash here.
Jello mold. Let's try it with the saw blade's head. Lactic acid bacteria bread. This saw blade's head seems the best. All trash has been processed. Making press machine with saw blade's head. Build the saw blade's head. The gears. Attach the saw head to the frame, or bee's balloon.
Good morning, sir. See you soon. Hi, guy. How much would you like to fill up?
Why is no one coming here to fill up? I need to figure out a way.
How to build the gas station. Step 1. Build the electric fuel pump. Install the motor and battery box. Install the pump nozzle. Testing the electric fuel pump. Pour gasoline into the tank. Step 2. Build the fuel dispenser. Install the meter. Connect fuel dispenser to electric fuel pump. Install the nozzle. Step 3. Set up the gas station. Install the canopy. Install Casey's supermarket and the restroom. I have many Lego pieces like this. Let's install parking area. Install car maintenance area. I will organize the car oil cans on the shelf. Welcome to our new gas station. We're excited to serve you.
Grand opening today. Come fuel up. Quality fuel and service await you.
Very impressive.
How dare you steal customers from me?
Please fill up the tank.
Thanks for choosing us. Please swipe your card to pay. Thank you.
Wow, there's a supermarket. That's so convenient.
Fill up my gas tank, please.
Sure, I'll fill it up right away. Thank you. Just a moment, we're topping up the fuel. Gas station is back online. Go ahead and fill up.
What's going on?
You've been arrested for selling low-quality fuel.
I didn't do it. I'm innocent.
Here comes my revenge.
Breaking news. A massive oil reserve has been discovered beneath the seabed of Blue Bay.
At Blue Bay.
Hurry up, buddy. We need to take this oil field first.
Don't worry, our car is ready. Let's go. Oh no, the survey car is capsized.
How do we get to the oil field now?
Let's make an underwater SAR quickly.
Build the car chassis. Add the gears. Add the motor. Build the body shell. Connect to the battery box. Add the claw wheels. Testing. Water. Driving in water. Rocks. Driving on rocks. Orbeez. Driving on Orbeez.
I hope this submarine works. Oh no, that rock area again.
Look, it climbed over the rock.
The oil is right in front of us.
Near the oil field.
What's that ship?
They took the oil, buddy.
Huh? You bastards, that oil should be ours. I'll take this oil back. A tug of war will decide who gets the oil.
Go!
Keep it up, submarine car.
Don't give up.
Yeah, we won. We've got the oil.
We're gonna be rich.
You're both under arrest for stealing oil. Fishing port.
It's time for fishing, bro.
Yes, sir.
Our boat is full of fish. We need to go to the fish drop-off, Dockmaster.
Please wait, the bridge will open right now.
How to build fishing ship.
I brought the parts to assemble the ship.
Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Built the loading conveyor belt. This loading conveyor is used to pull fish up from the sea. The support frame. Lego tread links. The gearbox. The motor. Connect to the battery box. I'll build another one to bring the fish into the ship. Step 2. Build the unloading conveyor belt. Lego tread links. Add the motor. Now, let's connect the two conveyors together.
I want to test if this conveyor can transport fish up.
Lego fish and crab. Now, let's attach the conveyors to the ship and add the wheelhouse.
Let's move this fish to the gathering place, everybody. We're done. Let's go home. Oh no, what happened? This boat is too big. Oh no, the boat is about to sink. Someone help us.
You will need a better fishing boat.
I'll reuse this collecting boat from my previous episode to fish.
This boat might boost our productivity 10 times. It worked so well. We caught more fish than the old boat. All the fish have been unloaded onshore. Let's move, everyone. We'll go to the next fishing port. Awesome. The boat has successfully turned around.